Beyond Blue Aerospace took off in January with some winter flying. In February, planning began to establish our used aircraft parts business to generate revenue. The fuselage floor for the Cozy Mark IV high-performance experimental aircraft was fabricated in March. On April 12th, we hosted a STEM event in the hangar to commemorate Yuri Gagarin's flight in Vostok 1, April 12, 1961. In May, we completed the design and build of a remotely controlled launch and ignition system which will allow us to launch scaled spaceplanes from a safe distance. June brought us some very good flying weather. June included tailwheel, ground, and flight training, as well as a chance for G-force and unusual attitude flights. In July, we published the second edition of the Tailwheel Conversion Handbook. The handbook is available online and in selected aviation bookstores. Beyond Blue Aerospace supported our AMO partner in August. In addition to selling used aircraft parts, we provide welding and other specialty services to the experimental aircraft community. In September, we completed the field testing of the RC launch and ignition system. Our system proved to be very reliable from a wide range of distances. We also had the opportunity to attend the Thunder Thrust over Chatham-Kent Jet Rally in September. Our Drones of October event was particularly interesting with respect to first-person view control and telemetry feedback. Beyond Blue Aerospace will learn, adopt, adapt, and scale up to make today's drone guidance systems work for tomorrow's suborbital test flights. In November, a prototype launch control ignition system was fabricated and tested. This will replace the unreliable match-type ignition system historically used by model Rocketeers. Our system will be available for purchase in early 2019. December is a great month to visit the Beyond Blue shop at beyondblue.shop. As we roll into 2019, we want to thank our supporters, customers, and partners, and wish all of you a very happy and adventurous new year.